My friend, today let me introduce this line-in-one cavitation body similar machine for you. And you can see that all the settings here. We have the 5 heads here and 3 heads here, and it is the laser palette. And now let me introduce how these heads will be do and its functions. And let's click in the center. And first one is for this one cavitation head, and this is for the cavitation head. It is the 40K frequencies head. And when you use this machine, and you can we suggested you to use with the gel. All this is machine, when you use it, you should use with the gel to make it more effective. And when you use it, you can see that we suggested to put the power to 5 to 6. All these has is the same. And you can the mode for this one, you can see that it is sounding. And for the mode is, if you change it, you can see it have a different sounds because its frequency is not the same. You can see change it. It is not the same, right? And this machine is majorly due for the body slimming, for your fat reducing. And we are going to the legs handle, and this one is for the Vakuum plus RF technology. This is for the Vakuum, and this one is for the RF. It is majorly due with the fat reducing, etc. And if you want to change the power, you can just change the power here, and this power is majorly due with the RF energy. And if you want to change up or down of the worker's pressure, you can change this button is to adjust the pressure of the frequency. And this you can see that here. Let's turn in. You can see it has different sounds, and the frequency is enough, and you will be get down, yeah. And when you use this machine, do not let it stay in the one places. You need to just like move it, let it move it, okay? And this one is all the same. You need to do the cycle part. And let's turn to the next legs with legs. And this 3 parts is for the RF handle, and this one for the 6. It is the 6 head for the body part, and this one is for the faces, and this one is for your eyes. So let's see. And all the settings it is the same. The time is for this one, and we suggested you use the power to 5 to 6, and the largest power is 50 for this is all parts. And for the mode, you can see that we change another mode. The light is not the same. So this mode is for to control the light frequency. Yeah. And when it's almost used for all parts of your body. And let's turn to next part for this face. And also it is the same. All the setting is the same. You can change it. You can adjust the power for the. Here is the B mode, the C mode. The light is not the same, right? Light is not the same. And it is good for your face. Do for your face and your cheek. And it can deal with the skin lifting and the skin tightening. And we stop it and turn to the eyes with RF. So it's all the same. You can see adjust A, B, C mode is not the same. And this RF head is due for your eyebrow, to ease your eyebrow, to make your eyes for the freckle remove. Yes. So if you need it, you can use the different heads according your custom legs. And let's turn to the next part. It's for the laser palette. And this laser palette we will have 6 pieces for the bigger one, and this is for the body, and 2 smaller is for your belly. To when if your client is after birth, you can use these 2 smaller to use it to here. And let's see, and we can change it the power. we can check, make the power to the larger run effective. And please be remembered, and this laser, it is not will be get warm or hot. It is normal. It's normal. Yeah, it's normal. The important thing we will speak free. So it's just the lights change it. You can adjust it to the 50 for the laser part, and you can do with the legs, your arms, and also it is good do for your belly, etc. And let's turn to the next one. Is for the cold. This one is the ice hammer, and when you do all the sections you want to relax, let's do a happy ending, you can just use this ice hammer to do some relaxing, because it will get harmed and will let your skin to let the treatment part be get cold and release to relax, and you can set the power to 3, 5 to 6, etc. When the time is passing, you will feel it's very getting colder and colder. Yeah, that's this one. And turn to the next part. It is for this one. It is the BIOD and IPL handle, and it has different colors for this head. It has 7 colors, and you can change the power here. And for the modes, for the color, you can change the color, adjust it to your custom needs, because different lines is deal with the different skin or the functions. And you can see it is not the same. And it will have something like a wave, because it is of the wave biotechnology. It can do with your back for the massage, etc. Yeah, it is not the same. Different colors. Yes. And for the last handle, we would like to show you all for this EMS part. And this part is very good for the afterbirth clients. So, and then it is deal with the wave technology, etc. as well. And you can just put it in this part and adjust it the power to larger. And when you turn it on, you will see it will have some bio wave for the microcurrent to show up. So that's for this part. So that's all for this machine. If you need more, please contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.